Good morning and namaskar. Today we'll take a look at TATA Consultancy Services Q1 FY21 results. It is one of the first to declare the results for the current year. Now let us look at the highlights for the quarter ending June 30th, 2020. Revenue is at $5.059 billion, minus 7.8% degrowth year on year. Constant currency revenue growth is minus 6.3% year-on-year degrowth. Net income is at $925 million. That is a degrowth of minus 20.8% year-on-year. Operating margin is at 23.6%. Net margin is at 18.3%. The cash conversion is very strong. Operating cash flow is at 132.6% of the net income. 132.6%. That is the operating cash flow. Now, headcount, if you look at that, consolidated 4,43,676. 4,43,676. Highest in IT sector. The women in workforce is 36.2%. 3,53,000 people have been trained in new technologies. Now, talent retention, that is one of the best things in TCS. The attrition rate is 11.1% last 12 months. Dividend per share is 5 rupees. For that, record date is 17/7. Payment date is 31/7. Now, Rajesh Gopinathan, he is the Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director. He says, the revenue impact of the pandemic played out broadly along the lines that were anticipated at the start of the quarter. It affected all verticals with the exception of life sciences and healthcare with the varying levels of impact. So initial period of disruption was there. Now customers have now stabilized in their operations and are now embarking on new beginnings to adopt and thrive in the post-pandemic period. So we are seeing many customers focus on front-end transformation, resulting in significant, now front-end needs to be more efficient. So that transformation people are seeking from TCS. The other big investment themes are around driving operational resilience, adaptability and optimization. TCS has got an approach called machine first approach. It is delivering secure borderless workspaces. Now, Ganapati Subramaniam. Ganapati Subramaniam is the Chief Operating Officer and Executive Director. He says the location independent way of working is gaining traction. Our customers are quite comfortable integrating the remote workforce using new collaborative technologies. Now work from home is there. So the TCS has developed efficient technologies for that. Now the resilience and adaptability that TCS has shown in supporting all customers in the last 3 months has been quite good, and it has been well received by the people. Now, B. Ramakrishnan, Chief Financial Officer, he says, we have taken a supportive approach to employees. Work from home, no problem. And likewise, vendors also, whatever they want. And used other efficiency levers to limit the impact of the sharp revenue decline during the quarter and still delivered an industry-leading operating margin. Her disciplined execution resulted in superior cash conversion and a strong cash balance that positions us very well to weather the downturn. Now let us take a look at the in rupee terms. Net sales Q1 38,322 crores. Previous quarter, that is Q4, 39,946. Now, for Q1 of last year, 38,172. So there is a marginal growth year on year. 38,322 this quarter, 38,172 year ago quarter. So 0.39% increase. But quarter on quarter, there is a degrowth of minus 4.07%. So now net profit, I am not going to go through all other things. 7,049 crores. 7,049 crores is the net profit for Q1. But previous quarter was higher, 8,093. So there is a degrowth quarter on quarter of minus 12.9%. Now net profit has degrown year on year also. See, Q1 last year was 8,153 compared to 7,049 only in this quarter. So there is a degrowth of minus 13.54 year on year also. So look at that. So we have seen the year on year, there is a flat, no growth in net sales for year on year, and degrowth minus 4.07%. And if you look at the net profit, it has degrown by minus 13.54% year on year and minus 12.9% quarter on quarter. Equity is 375 crores. There has not been any change in the last 5 quarters. Basic EPS is 18.8 and diluted EPS is 18.68. Market price is around 2,172. Price earning is 28.88. For TCS, 28.88 is not bad. It is attractive. Now, 52-week low is 1,504. 1,504, 52-week low. Now, current price is 2,172, but 52-week high is 2,301. Will it achieve the 2,301? Yeah, will achieve. During the course of the year, if pandemic goes, and it is likely to go, so TCS has got a lot of strengths. If only the effects of COVID go, TCS is the strongest IT player in India, in the world, let us say. Now, if you look at the valuations, market cap is 8,14,905 crores. Price earning for the last year is 26.6. It is around that always. Book value is 198. Dividend is 7,800%. It is declaring like that for the last year. Industry price earning is 21%. EPS, trailing 12 months EPS is 81.66 rupees. Price to book is 10.96. Dividend yield percentage is 3.59. Face value is rupees 1. Dividend is 5 rupees. Face value is just rupees 1. Now, CFO V. Ramakrishnan says the worst of COVID-19 for TCS is over. Recovery is in sight. Now, if you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 72.05%, no change in the last 5 quarters. There is a small pledge of 2.94%. FIA sold 15.85%, DIA sold 8.66%, financial institutions sold 0.02%, insurance companies sold 5.44%, mutual funds sold 2.51%, others sold 3.46%. So, this is how TCS has fared. In the circumstances of pandemic, COVID-19, I should say TCS has fared very well. No doubt about it. There is a degrowth in revenue, profit, etc. But yet, I should say TCS will recover, will fare very well. World will come out of pandemic. Vaccines are getting ready, medicines are getting ready. So, it's a matter of time now, months, a few months, maybe 2-3 months. I don't give it more chance. I only hope that somebody doesn't produce COVID 21 something like that in future. That should be prevented. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with another good company. TCS is a good company despite degrowth. Thank you.